What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This feels so weird. I don't have a hat on, so you guys actually get to see me with, you know, some hair. I do have some, you know, but anyway, point of the video is I always get this asked on Instagram, how do I get the constant hood marker lights on and the amber DRLs? So basically I bought a Taser. I was on the Ram TRX forum, so I believe the Taser's through MT Automotive or MZ Automotive, something like that. They sell it for all kinds of cars, but I did buy it for the Ram TRX. So I unboxed it. I filmed that probably a few weeks ago because I really wanted to get these on right away. So I'll insert that clip right now. Today we're going to be installing this Taser on the TRX. That way we can get the amber DRLs. I'm only using it for a couple options. I just want the amber DRLs. What is this? Oh, to plug into the computer. Okay, so it comes with a USB cable and then the actual Taser piece. Let's check it out. All right, so I got this from someone on the forums. His name is Boosted, and yeah, I mean, it should have the latest firmware. So I'm definitely going to install this on TRX. So like I said, we can get the amber DRLs. We can always have the hood scoop markers on, like the amber 3 lights that's in the hood of the truck. And what else did I want? The side view mirror is always closing. So let's put this on. And then now I'm going to show you how it was installed. So it's going to be tough to kind of see it under here probably. Let me see if I can get my light on my phone real quick. Hopefully this helps. So I'm hoping you can kind of see it, but basically, where am I? So basically up there, you can kind of see, I mean, it's a little tough. And because I'm holding the phone, you can see like it's unplugged there. And then the Taser, and then there's like 2 plugs that come out that basically hook up over here. And this is the Taser right here. So you can see it, MZ Automotive. So I unplugged it there from here. I don't know if you can kind of see it. There's like 2 missing plugs right there. So those 2 plugs get unplugged, and then I plug them into the Taser. And then I'll go through the settings in the truck. I mean, basically the truck's got to be off but in the run position. And then I forgot exactly, I did everything on the manual. So I mean, look on the manual, probably film that in the next clip of how you do it. Then you go to audio, you know, you can start changing through the settings. I only did 3 settings. I didn't want to start messing around with the Taser. So basically this is how it looks. So I have the constant amber DRLs on, which I think gives it a great look. And then I always have these hood marker lights on. And I'm not gonna lie, that's a little creepy. There's like a little kid's, I don't know, Fisher Price car just in the middle of a parking lot. It's a little weird. Hopefully the kid's okay. But anyway, so that's how I have this look. And I get asked that all the time. So those are the 2 features, and I told you I have 3. The third is the power folding mirrors work now. So when I turn off the truck, like right now, I turned it off, you could see the mirror closes on its own. So it just folds like that, and then when I turn the truck on, it'll go on. And stay tuned. I mean, obviously you notice there's a couple of little extras here. I'm going to talk about that in the next video. I have a whole bunch of content coming, so just definitely stay tuned. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. You know, definitely helps out the channel. But it's a shady day today. You can see the stealth PPF on the truck. But yeah, so I mean, that's the whole look of the Taser. That's exactly what I got it for. I know there's a whole bunch of like live vehicle settings where you could do like light shows, and you could throw it in 2-wheel drive, like rear-wheel drive, and do burnouts and stuff. I am not going to do that. I am not trying to really mess around too much with the truck. I just wanted those 3 things. All right, so I'm in the car. You could see this is definitely the easiest way to do it. If you buy the Taser DT, so actually it's by Z Automotive, not MZ. I don't know where I got MZ from, but print out the instructions. This makes it super easy. So I'll show you real quick. This is the installation part. So you can see that these two pieces come out like I tried to show you before. And then basically you just press, pull, and then you hook in the Taser right there. So that's how you do it. And there's honestly so many settings. So this is all the stuff that you could do in, this is what I did, this vehicle settings. All right, so the engine's on, we're in audio. All right, so now I'm actually going through the options. So tire fill, let's see if I could just leave this on the steering wheel real quick and maybe it'll film. Dark mode, video, Taser, no device, live settings. So I guess this would be that. So to confirm live settings, you have to, so left and cruise to scroll, and then to change option select, it's left and cruise on off. Why did that change? I don't know, so let's go through it again. All right, so now we're going through it. In motion, turn cam off. See, that's the stuff I want to start playing with. All right, so you can see amber DRL, I have it set to both. Winch I didn't play with, tire fill, no. No, I don't know why all the other stuff's not popping up. I mean, you kind of just got to play around with it, and eventually you'll get there. It did take me a little while, I'm not gonna lie. Turn cam off, park cam, see auto fold on, amber DRLs are both. And I think both is when it leaves the hood markers on also. And yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I mean, the best way to do it is to print out the instructions, go through it, make sure you install it the right way, and then you'll be able to get everything that you're looking for. And then you'll get the amber DRLs with the hood marker lights and the auto fold mirrors. Since the truck is on, they're not going to be closed right now, but once I turn the truck off, so the truck's gonna turn off, and there they go. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I mean, I really only use those 3 features. I might actually use that 3-horn kill, because when you get out of the car, you leave it running and you have the key in your pocket, it honks 3 times, which is really annoying. But I mean, it's not the end of the world. But I might take that off. But honestly, it's just those 3 things that I really want. Auto fold, and then the amber DRLs I put on both, which I believe is also the hood markers. I'm not positive, but I believe that's what it was. But like I said, I mean, all the info's there, so just, you can do it yourself. And if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell so you guys know when I post videos, because like I said, I have a lot of content. I'm gonna keep posting more often now. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.